Plus Portals is a website that's used to find your grades, try and check homework grades, or looking at different assignments that you might have missed while you were absent or you were away. You'll find something right here. If you see anything that says Bishop Feehan, click on that. You'll sign in with your information, and you'll put also at bishopfeehan.com. If you're a sophomore, you'll have a 21 after the Bishop Feehan or after the @ sign. You'll have a word and also your graduation year that follows after it. If you're not able to access your account, you press this. You put in your username, and then you're able to reset your password. If you suddenly remember it, press the back button. I already have mine, and mine's already added in, so I don't need to do that. So I press sign in. You'll see your picture that you took on your first day of school. You'll see all of your demographics, your daily attendance, your report card, and also your schedule. If you want to look at your courses, press the drop down. Let's look at algebra. You're able to look at your courses and also what is needed and what is due. You're able to look at your scores. Let's look at biology. Same thing applies. If you look at the class page, you're able to see everything that is needed right here. There'll be files that will be listed underneath the class folder and also for the class. If you press on the view, it will show you the file and also it will give you a short description of what it is.